a simple way to lose weight and keep it off. Funny how those few extra pounds seem to creep onto our bodies without notice. Then, one day, it's almost as though they have all been added at once. Perhaps a glance in the mirror, or worse, a comment from a friend you haven't seen in a while. Whatever it is, you are ready to lose weight. You want to look and feel better. At the same time, there's so much conflicting information about the best way to lose weight. What's a person to do? What follows may not be at the top of everybody's list for ways to lose weight quickly, but it works. At the very least, it should be added to your bag of tricks for dropping those extra pounds. Some of the tips may sound a little silly, but you can't argue with results. So, what is this method? Portion control. And it can actually be a lot fun. For starters, when you focus on your portions, there's no need to carry along a bulky calories counter guide when you go out to eat. I used to hate trying to be casual when using those, because I just knew all of the other diners were watching me, thinking to themselves how fat I was. The most basic way of controlling your portions is, get ready, this is good, putting less on your plate. See. Easy. Not so fast. If it was that easy, we would all be at our ideal weight. Yes, by all means, make an effort to put less on your plate. Here are a few more tricks to keep portions limited so you can lose extra weight. Don't worry about cleaning your plate. In fact, make it a habit to always leave a few bites on your plate. Speaking of your plate, using smaller dishes will give the illusion that there is more food on them. You can even eat on a saucer instead of a large dinner plate. Granted, you may have to fill it a second time, but all in all, it's an easy way to limit the amount of food you're eating. A big problem for a lot of people is that they eat so fast that they are technically full long before they feel full. Slow down the speed with which you normally eat. Doing so will give your stomach more time to signal the brain that it's full. The beauty of doing it this way is that you can eat the same foods you enjoy now. You should still add more healthy foods, but you don't have to give up any foods if you can keep the portion sizes under control. Once you get used to it, it's as close to automatic weight loss as you can get. There are many other things you can do, too. Imagine looking good in the mirror, or being complimented by a friend the next time you see them. Thank you for stopping by your time to watch my video. If you liked, please subscribe to my channel and activate notifications because I will upload interesting videos every day.